Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel and we are going to make a scarf. So first I will show you the yarns that I bought, which I'm really excited. So I bought this one and probably you cannot see now on camera, but when it's sunny outside I can show you better. So it has like this little like fur thing going on, and it has some like sparkle kind of. I also have this one that's I think it's mohair with acrylic. I'm not really sure because I don't have the tag anymore. And I bought also this color, which is like a really nice gray. It feels like almost white, but it's not. So I really think that I'm going to use these for an I-cord. I bought two of the black ones and one of these, and then this one, the mohair one, is just some leftovers that I had from previous projects. So this is how it's looking and I really love it. And I did a few cables. Sorry, the needle is making noise. So I did 3 types of cables and I will explain a little bit more, but so far that's what we have. So guys, this is made with 6.5 millimeters, which I think that in US it's 10.5. So I use the recommended needles for this, and yeah, so but I also didn't want a really tight look, so I went for the bigger needle. So just to explain a little bit, this creates like this 3D look that pops out the twisted part. So each cable needs to be divided in the same number of stitches. So for example, this one in total has 4 stitches, so I divide this 2 stitches that goes on the back and 2 stitches that goes on the front. From here the total was 8 stitches, so I did 4 stitches that goes under and 4 stitches that goes on the top part. And here I just not created the complete twist like these ones that feels like they go all the way around. In here I just create like a type of zigzag, so it starts like this and comes like this and then like this and like this. And for this one I just did 1 stitch each. So what will create this like 3D thing, if you can see, you know, it pops out, is that the stitches in between the cables are purls on the right side. In this scarf specifically, I cast on 40 stitches with long tail method. I left 3 stitches on each edge, and just because I want to add something. So I don't know if I'm going to for sure add the I-cord or if I'm going to do some ribbing. So yeah, so if you're not doing that, I think probably 2 stitches on the edge will be fine. And between each cable I just leave 2 stitches. So we have 3 purls here, we have the cable, and then 2 purls, cable, 2 purls, cable, 2 purls, and repeats. And when it comes to the edge, 3 stitches. Also, because I'm going to add something not just on the side of the scarf, I also am going to be adding on the top part, so on each opposite side. I just did 2 rows of normal knitting. When I mean normal is knitting on the right side and purling on the wrong side, just because I don't want anything to like disturb this part. So Yeah, just to separate a little bit. I do 5 rows, and then on the 6th row is where I do the twisted thing. It's really simple pattern to repeat. You just need to understand first the basic, and then you can just watch some TV or some movie that you want, and you can be knitting this without always looking at the pattern. So I think for that it's also really easy, it's like comfortable, and it's just nice to have something to knit on the couch. We usually use like these type of needles, but to be honest with you, I just bought this yesterday. I've already started this before, and what I use, it's a crochet hook. I just finished a row where I did the twisted part, which is on the right side. So now I'm going to do the 5 rows next, so we can go back to the twist part. So I'm on the wrong side, so I'm going to knit 2 purls and purl the knits. I've just finished the row number 5, so the twisted part you will do on the right side. So I'm going to show you how I did with both with the needle and the hook, the crochet hook. So the crochet hook doesn't even need to be in the same size. So yeah. So I'm going to purl the edge stitches. Wait, sorry. And first I will use the needle. So basically we reach the first cable, which is divided in 2 stitches each side. So what I'm going to do is put the stitches on this needle. So I'm just going to put half of the stitches of the cable, and where you hold the needle is what is going to define the shape for like the side that you want to do the fold. So on this case, this is going to fold to the right side. So I'm going to put this on the back so these stitches can fold on the right. So these are knit stitches, so I'm going to knit these 2. And now I will pick the stitches that I was holding on the back, and I will knit these. So as you can see, these stitches folded on the top, and the ones that I was holding on the back will go through the back of your work. So now we do the 2 purl stitches. The cable that has 8 stitches, I put 4 stitches on this needle. And because it's a cable that folds for the right side, I will put the stitches at the back of my work again. I'll just put like this. So now I'm going to knit the 4 stitches and then I will grab the needle that is on the back of the work and I will knit the other 4. This can feel a little bit tight, but as you keep working, it will get better. Oops. Okay. So again, we are going to purl the 2 stitches between the cables. And then we get to the like the zigzag thing. So as you see, creates like this zigzag. So this one folded for the left side, as you can see, and now I will fold it to the right side. So again, I will grab the needle here at the back of the work, and I will knit the stitch and then knit this one. And then purl again the 2 stitches between. And now I'm going to show you how I do this with the crochet hook. So these 2 are going to fold for the left side. So instead of holding the stitches on the back, we are holding the stitches on the front. So how I do it is I put, like I used to do with the needle, sorry. So again, we reach the cable that has 8 stitches, so we are going to put on hold 4. Instead of holding the stitches on the back, I'm going to hold on the front. So now I'm going to knit, and then I just leave it like that. You just have to be careful so the stitches don't come off the crochet hook. And I'm just going to knit the 4. And then I just slide the hook a little bit and I just grab the stitches. And then again, purl the 2 stitches. So you can see this folded for the left side. And now we reach the cable that has in total 4 stitches. So we are going to put on the crochet hook 2. So 1 and 2. We are going to hold this on the front and we are going to knit these 2. And then we slide the hook and knit the other stitches. Okay. And now we are going to purl the 3 edge stitches. So now that we did the twisted part on the right side of the work, we are going to do 5 more rows. You don't have to necessarily do the number of rows that I want, so you can do more rows so the twisted is more spaced in between them. So it's really up to you and how you want to style it. So yeah. Hi guys, so just a quick update on the scarf. Yeah, I had to stop a little bit because I've been sick, so yeah, I was not able to do anything because my head was hurting so much. But yeah, this is the state of your it's looking pretty long, but like not long enough. So yeah, I think you can do this like in the size that you want. So yeah, it's really up to you. So if you want a longer scarf or not, yeah, you can just decide this as you go, and you can try it on, obviously. So yeah, for me, obviously, for the size that it is, it's not ready. I still need to add a little bit more length to it. So yeah, so but I'm really enjoying doing this. I'm sorry. So, oh, this is the right side. Just let me hold the needles otherwise. So this, oh, it's stuck. Okay, so this is the size of the scarf right now, and I really love how the cable work looks, and I really think that it looks really nice to have different sizes of cables and types of cables. So yeah, but this is not just going to be like this. I will add a little more details, not a little more, I will add more details to it, and I will show you guys. Yeah, okay guys, so this is taking a little bit longer than I was expecting. We still have this length, so yeah, so I think we just need a little bit more, you know. I don't want to do it too long as well. Yeah, so yeah, I'm really liking how this goes. I'm sorry, today everyone is really like nervous outside. Yeah, I think it's really cool. So yeah, hopefully you're with me on this one, and yeah, we just have to keep going. Yeah, I really thought that this would be a quicker project, but yeah, it's not. So yeah, I will update you when I have the size that I want, and then I will show you guys how to do the I-cord edge and the ruffles. I'm still thinking about the ruffles, but at least the I-cord edge we are going to have it. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated.